So I finally got the Rubik's 2x2 and 3x3. Been wanting them for a while, so I'm just get right to opening them. If I can. There's a lot of tape. I'm hurting myself on the box. No. Alright. There we go. Never mind. Finally, I'm just gonna throw it out the side, so here it is. Looks like a Rubik's Cube. Got the tiles, now first turns. It's actually not very bad. Hey! Better than I thought. This is actually pretty good. It's better than definitely better than I thought. You can actually do a J-perm pretty fast. Let's see a G-perm. Alright, I'm gonna do a time solve here. Scrambling. Alright. And 3, 2, 1. For perspective, I typically average like 14, 13, and you see a checkerboard pattern on here. This is probably the best checkerboard pattern I've seen. Well, alright. Now, I'm for the 2x2. Hey. That's nice to figure out. Alright. Close this off. Toss it to the side. Alright. Now just 2x2. And one thing I noticed was that it only has screws on two sides, so you can see here there's a screw on the other side. Wait, no, there's only one screw. One screw here, and the rest is plastic on the centers. Now, time for first turns. This is tiny. Here's the GAN 251M for perspective. It's quite a bit smaller. Significant amount. Alright. Well, it does not turn the best because it's so small, but hey, it doesn't turn the worst either. Now, let's do a solve. So, for perspective, I typically average like high 3, low 4. Let's see here. And 3, 2, 1. Pop it on my hands, but whatever. Alright. 13. I'm gonna try that again because maybe try not to let the cube pop out of my hand again. And that's a DNF for that, whatever. So, corner cutting, let's see. is their corner cutting? Start with the spring, maybe they're bouncing. Start with the spring, have some corner cutting, but turn it any other. Alright, yeah, there. You can see it doesn't really corner cut consistently on every side, but let's do a 2x2 to 3x3 relay normally and compare to Rubik's. So there's 2x2, 3x3. Alright. Three, two, one. Plus 2, so 22.45. And 42.56. So it's about like a 24-second difference, which looking expected is Rubik. So yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna just try to set this cube up with let's see what I got here. So we got some DNM 37 and jack lantern. So I'm gonna try to get the jack lantern on like the deeper inside pieces. Alright. So here we go. Do 3 drops on the inside with jack lantern. And break it in. Ooh, it feels slow. Just one word to describe it. Alright. Now for the DNM 37. Here we'll just do like 1 drop there. Another drop here, maybe 2. That going. There we go. That's probably good. Yeah. Definitely feels a lot faster already. Break it in. I'm gonna try another time to solve here. So. Alright, 1907 now. As much as I would love to sit here and do solves recording them, I just don't think you guys would be interested. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching all the way through. Make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and that's it.